Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 3rd standard subject Maths Board CBSE chapter 9 Money. So today we are going to see in money exercise 4, that is subtraction. So in previous class we have seen addition. So today's class we are going to see subtraction, how to subtract rupees. So listen children, same like ordinary subtraction, we are going to subtract from first for paise, then after that rupees. So 0 minus 5 can we subtract? So from 0 we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from the before number. So here before number also 0, so we can subtract from 7. So if you are borrowing from 7, 7 becomes 6, then the 0 becomes 10. Again if you are borrowing, it becomes 9. So again you are borrowing from 10, so it becomes 10. Again if you are borrowing, it becomes 9, so it becomes 10. So now you tell me, what is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 is 5. Next, 9 minus 7 is 2. Next one, put the dot. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. So what is the answer children? Tell me the answer. So 16 rupees 25 paise. 16 rupees 25 paise. So next one, we are going to subtract 125 rupees 50 paise minus 85 rupees 50 paise. So tell me, what is 0 minus 0? 0 minus 0 is 0. Next, 5 minus 5. Same number if you are subtracting, you will get the answer as 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Next, again 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Next, 2 minus 8. See, that is smaller number. So what we have to do? So we can't subtract from smaller number. So we have to borrow from the before number. So 1 becomes 0. 2 becomes 12. So now you tell me, what is 12 minus 8? 12 minus 8 is 4. So what is the answer? 40 rupees. So what is the answer? 40 rupees. So you can write only 40. Next one. So first you arrange it in the column, then we can subtract. See, listen, here 210 rupees, then 105 rupees 75 paise. Here they didn't give paise, so we can write for paise 210.00. Next, so we are going to subtract 210 minus 105 75 paise. So tell me children, what is 0 minus 5? Again 0. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to borrow from the before number. So from 1 we can borrow. So 1 becomes 0, it becomes 10. Again if you are borrowing, it becomes 9. So it becomes 9, it becomes 10. So now you tell me, what is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 is 5. Next, 9 minus 7 is 2. So put the dot. Then what is 9 minus 5 children? 9 minus 5 is 4. Next, 0 minus 0 is 0. Next, 2 minus 1 is 1. So now you tell me the answer. So write rupees 104 rupees 25 paise is the answer. Next one, 100 rupees minus 43 rupees 25 paise. So listen children, here also they didn't give paise. So what you have to write? 100.00. So both are equal only. Next, 43 rupees. So here they have given only 2 digit. So you can write 4 near tens place, then 3.25. So write the subtraction symbol. So tell me, what is 0 minus 5 children? So again 0 is there. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from the before number. So before number means 1 we have to borrow. So 1 becomes 0, it becomes 10. Again if you are borrowing, it becomes 9, 9, 9, then 10. So now you tell me, what is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 is 5. Next, 9 minus 2 is 7. Next put the dot. Next 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. Then write the rupee symbol. So what is the answer, children? So can you tell me what is the answer? 56 rupees 75 paise. Next one, we are going to see word problem. Amina bought an apple for rupees 15 rupees 50 paise. She gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money will the shopkeeper return to her? So what is the cost of an apple? Cost of an apple is rupees 15 rupees 50 paise. Then she gave, how much she gave to the shopkeeper? Rupees 50 rupees. So how much money she will get back from the shopkeeper? So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract and then find out the answer. We are going to subtract and then find out the answer. So first you will write the solution. So money gave to the shopkeeper. So how much money she gave to the shopkeeper? 50 rupees she gave to the shopkeeper. But what is the cost of an apple? Only 15 rupees. So you write first money gave to the shopkeeper. So how much he gave to the shopkeeper? Money he gave to the shopkeeper rupees 50 rupees. So in paise they didn't give, so you can write 00 for paise. Next, money he gave to the shopkeeper. Next, sorry, she you write. Here Amina they are given, so that she is a girl. So you can write money she gave to the shopkeeper. Next, what is the cost of an apple, children? So cost of an apple equal to, so what is the cost of an apple is 15 rupees. 15 rupees 50 paise. So what we are going to do now? We are going to subtract. So write subtraction symbol. So now shall we subtract? 0 minus 0 is 0. Next 0 minus 5 is, so we can't subtract from 0, so we have to borrow from the before number. So 5 becomes 4, it becomes 10. Again if you are borrowing, it becomes 9, then it becomes 10. So what is 10 minus 5, children? 10 minus 5 is 5. Then put the dot. Then what is 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. So now you tell me the answer. What is the answer? 34 rupees 50 paise. So money the shopkeeper returned. Money shopkeeper return equal to rupees 34 rupees. So money shopkeeper return to her equal to 34 rupees 50 paise. So answer you can write the shopkeeper will return. So how much money the shopkeeper will return? The shopkeeper will return 34 rupees 50 paise. So listen children, Amina bought an apple for rupees 15 rupees 50 paise. She gave a rupees 50 note to the shopkeeper. How much money will the shopkeeper return to her? So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract and then find out the answer. So money she gave to the shopkeeper is 50 rupees. So what is the cost of an apple is 15 rupees 50 paise. So if you subtract, you will get 34 rupees 50 paise. So how much she will get from the shopkeeper? So money shopkeeper returned to her is 34 rupees 50 paise. So the shopkeeper will return rupees 34 rupees 50 paise. Next one, Saras wants to buy a book for rupees 56 rupees 50 paise. She has 50 rupees with her. How much more money does she need? So the cost of a book is 56 rupees, but she has only 50 rupees. So how much money she needs? So what we have to do? We have to subtract and then we are going to find the answer. So write solution, children. So money. So first you have to write what is the cost of a book, because that is the greater amount. Okay. So you can write cost of a book. So what is the cost of a book? Cost of a book equal to rupees 56 rupees 50 paise. Next, money she has. So how much she has? Money she has only rupees 50 rupees. So write subtraction symbol, because we are going to subtract. So what is 0 minus 0, children? 0 minus 0 is 0. Next, 5 minus 0 is 5. Then put the dot. Then what is 6 minus 0 is 6. Then again 5 minus 5 is 0. So no need to write there. So how much money, more money she needs? 6 rupees 50 paise. So here you can write difference. So you write answer, she needs rupees 6 rupees 50 paise more money. So how much she needs? So she needs rupees 6 rupees 50 more money. So you can write. So Saras wants to buy a book for rupees 56 rupees 50 paise. She has only 50 rupees. So how much more money does she need? So first you will write cost of a book. Cost of a book is 56 rupees 50 paise. Next, money she has. How much money she has? Only 50 rupees. So how much more money she needs? So if you subtract, you will get. So how much more money? 6 rupees 50 paise. So she needs 6 rupees 50 paise. So exercise 4 also we have completed. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.